Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kalpana Singh and I am making videos related to cabin crew interviews and all about aviation industry. So without wasting time, let's come to the video. So today's video is regarding the latest hiring of Indigo cabin crew interviews. So today I'm going to tell you about the hirings of Indigo interviews. So Indigo is already started hiring candidates. As you were asking that like when they are going to hire, so I would tell them that yes, they started hiring on 24th of November. They already hired for different places like Bangalore and other place, and on tomorrow means 25th of November they are going to hire in Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Cochin, Bangalore, Lucknow and different destination, and on 26th of November they are going to hire in Jammu, Delhi and Chennai. So those who are living there, they can give interview. I will tell you that yes, you should go for interview because this time you don't have to pay anything. Like in Jammu, those who are living in Jammu, so mostly they have to come, they have to travel, and after that they have to give interview. So this is very golden opportunity for them because company is coming to their place and they can like give interview without any hassle. They can give an interview at their own place because I can understand like it would be very good when the interview will happen at our city. So because going from one city to another, it's very panic, like we have to do lot of preparation and therefore we are not like, we also get tired and after that we don't feel to do anything, and like that is something like which affect us. So if the interview is happening in our state, then we are aware about each and every information, so we can easily go for interview and we have that much time to prepare for interview as well. So that is very good opportunity. So the important documents which you have to carry with you, that is your like your portfolio photograph, your resume, your xerox of your all the mark sheet. If you are graduate, so your graduate mark sheet, all three mark sheet. If you are 12th pass out, then your 12th pass out mark sheet and your 10th mark sheet, whatever all the information you had. And like your passport is very important, your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, these all informations are very important. So you should take this all thing with you, this all documents with you. So if you have not made your passport and if you have applied for that, so you can come with that receipt that yes, I have already applied for a passport. And if you didn't apply for passport, but still tell them that yes, I will apply, or maybe I have already applied and I forgot to bring receipt or anything. Just tell them that yes, I will get my passport very soon, so that you will have time. And I don't want you to reject for these all reason, because that is not a genuine reason. Like you should prepare about these all things, because as you decided that yes, you wanted to be cabin crew, so it's very important that you have all these information, because that is required. No matter like we are not aware that when we will get selected. This also happened that when we don't have any like documents, and when we got rejected, we cleared all interviews, and last that when it is documentation round, so we got rejected. So that's not going to be good thing. So I just want you that yes, prepare yourself all the documentation, everything, so that you are ready. Just prepare yourself that yes, you are ready. So these all things are also included in your that is also included in your preparation. So you have to prepare for everything. And the dress attire which you have to wear, that is for black skirt, white shirt, and now it's cold, so you can also wear blazer. And if you don't have, then it's all right, it's no worry. It's not mandatory that yes, you have to wear. If you have, that is good, you should wear, because in winter it is dress code that yes, you have to wear a blazer. And skin color stockings you have to wear, with rounded shoes, ballet you have to wear. These are the dress attires. And also you have to make a, if your hair is less than your neck, this part, jaw length, then you have to then you can open your hairs. And if it is more than that, then you have to tie a pony. And if it is very long and you are able to make a bun, then it's better that if you will make a bun, neat and clean bun, that will look more professional compared to ponies and other thing. So it's look more professional if you will make bun, and also prepare everything one day before and prepare well. All the best everyone. So if you have any doubt, anything regarding interview, if you have any question, you can comment me in the comment section. I am here to help you. And tomorrow I will go for interview, so I will try to like record as much as possible, and also I will give you all the information and everything and share my experience that how was my this interview and each and everything. And I also try to interact with other girls there and also ask them how was their experience, what are the question asked from them, and how many attempts they have given. So I will share each and every information with you guys. And like if you want to ask anything, you can comment me. And like all the best everyone. Hope any one of you will get selected. I will pray for all that you will get selected as soon as possible, and also I will pray for me as well that yes, like yeah, like no matter that one day we will definitely going to be select, but no matter that one day when will come, but still we should be hopeful, we should be positive, because this is the only thing through which we can like make ourselves motivated and also like make ourselves prepared for the interview. All the best everyone. Do not hesitate. You don't have to stuck anywhere because you are perfect. You prepared yourself well. Just try to like discuss questions with your friend. Just try to like practice the question which you have prepared, and don't try to learn it. Don't try to repeat more and more. Just try to like analyze your mind. Be free. No need to hesitate, nothing at all. You are free and you can do it. I can also do it. Okay, bye everyone, take care. Hope you are well and healthy at home. All the best for everyone, those who are going for interview. Bye bye.